with that, let's keep it going with all the earnings. Let's shift focus to the nifty earnings today, and one of them is Tata Motors. It's all set to come out with Q1 earnings. Net profit is expected to jump nearly 77% on a year-on-year basis. Shrishti is here with all the expectations that the street is penciling in when it comes to this auto major. Shrishti.
Well, from Tata Motors, we are expecting a mixed bag this time around. Why so? Because on a year-on-year basis, definitely there is a volume push, especially from the JLR division. But on the margin figure, we are expecting some bit of a contraction on the consolidated basis, as well as for their JLR EBIT margins as well. If we talk about the numbers then, and firstly on the revenue figure, 1,15,440 crores is what we are expecting on the top line. EBITDA expected at 14,740 crores, while the margins could see some bit of a contraction from 13.3% in Q1 of FY24. This time the number is expected at 12.8%, and that we'll also highlight that because of the product mix, the margin contraction could be there for Tata Motors. If we talk about the profit figure, then 5,486 crores is what we are expecting. Indeed, on a YY basis, that will be a substantial jump. But let's talk about the India business. So India business was also seen to be quite mixed, because the commercial vehicle volumes, though they were up 6%, the passenger vehicle volumes were quite stagnant. And because of the mix, we are expecting that on a quarter-on-quarter as well as on a YY basis, there could be some bit of a contraction in their individual margins as well. Now, important to watch is indeed the JLR margins, because for the JLR EBIT margins, the company has been outperforming the street expectations for last so many quarters, and this time let me tell you what the street is expecting. So number is expected at 7.9%, but sequentially that could actually be a contraction of 130 basis points, and that could be on the back of unfavorable product mix, rising spend, as well as some bit of a contraction in their revenue figure as well. So that's the estimate from Tata Motors. We'll definitely watch out for the management commentary on the guidance and the outlook. But apart from that, any more details on the upcoming Tata Curve launch on 7th of August, it will also be keenly watched out for.